Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse One here. So I kind of want to show you, this is cleaned up a whole lot better. I still want to hit that a little bit. I will come back and get that a little bit. But I hit all through in here. The path down to Dave's place, I cleaned that up. This side over here, cleaned all this. Did around the trees over here. So they're all cleaned up around them now. Moved the picnic table, did under there. I didn't hit that part yet. I was running out of steam, I'll be honest with you. So I did over through that area. I still will hit this a little bit more down through here. But did around the fire circle. And so did, like I said, around there. Hit around the front of here, cleaned this up. Really happy. Because there was, all this is now open, which is great. Cleaned up all around, obviously, the solar panels. And walk over here. But like I said, got that all squared away. Hit in behind here. Did a little bit over here. Did a little over through there. Hit this spot here, over here. And then I hit this upper spot here. All through up there, that's another day. So, but I came through here and I hit around these trees here already. And then was hitting down over here. So like I said, I just got to move some of those out of the way. But I did around that cherry tree. Had a lot of crap around there. So I'll move those blocks. And I'll hit through here with the mower. I know obviously where my raspberry bushes are. So I'll clean up around them right now. And then I'm just going to let them take off. Because if they start shooting new shoots, I definitely do not want to hit the new shoots. But yeah, it looks a lot nicer. A lot nicer. Oh, actually, while we're here, let's take a look. So I will show you. You can see I had some grass clippings. That's what's left. That gave that to the birds. So they were happy about that. What are we doing, girls? Huh? Got anything in here? Let's see. I'm not seeing anything in there yet. Or more, I should say. Hello. What do you got for me? You got anything in here? Nothing yet? Okay. Alright, we got a girl in the box. But, no, so like I said, I had stopped and saw Randy last night, which is my neighbor, and I had said to him, I said, you know anybody that's got a push mower for sale? And he's like, well, I might have one. You guys want to take a look at it? And I'm like, yeah, sure. So we go look at it. He puts gas in it, fires up right away. And he says, yeah, I don't use it that much. He says, I said, well, what do you want for it? And he says, 110. And I said, how about 90? And he counters with 100, which is where I was at in my head to begin with. So, always got to barter. That's all part of the game. But, man, I'll tell you what. Looks a lot nicer. So now having a push mower again, because this one here is kaput. It's been kaput. Seized up last year. So I might have Bud take that and see if he can't fart around with it and see if he can figure anything out. Because if he can and get it running again, well, then we can have two push mowers available. Again, right? 2 is 1, 1 is none. So, but yeah, I pretty much went all of last year without a push mower. You guys saw. It looked pretty shoddy. But with having that area cleaned up there and having that wood cleaned up out of here, and the grass will take that back over, that makes me really happy because it opens it up a little bit more again. which is what I wanted to see. You know what I mean? I really didn't like it. It felt very cramped. So now, like I said, we got things more open, which is good. It's been a good productive day. You know, I got cut what I wanted to get cut and then some, and got my dishes over there. They're all nice and washed now. And what you two doing? Huh? You teaching him bad habits? Tanky, is she teaching you bad habits? I see your feet are wet. Were you down at the spring? Huh? We're down at the spring? Yeah. But just another beautiful day. It's a little partly cloudy today. I'm pretty sure the batteries are 100%. So let me take a look at that and see real quick. But I'm pretty sure they're at 100%. I've already collected 8 eggs today. So let's click this on and we'll take a look and see where we're at. But yeah, like I said, out. No, you're not having puppy food. You're not a puppy. No. Come on, hell, out. Good girl. Oh, yeah, there we go. 100%. I knew it was at 100%. Move this out of the way. There we go. 100%. Figured it was. We've had enough sunshine today. A very, very big time rainstorm through the night. It was coming down. Thunder, lightning. It was a good old storm last night. So I love those type of storms. But like I said, the rider, the deck is back on there. I gotta disable the thing for the seat because I think that's why it won't start. It's registering that nobody's sitting on it, so I just got to disable that, and so hopefully that's all that takes, and I can get back to cutting the rest of the grass because it needs it, and that would be a good thing. But like I said, with this looks so much nicer, so much cleaner. Simple things, guys. That's what it all takes sometimes, just the simple things. But good day, productive. Like I said, I've been debating where I was going to get a lawnmower, push mower, and I didn't want to go out and pay like $250 for one. So I wanted to get a used one. And so, you know, and Randy just happened to have the one that he wanted to get rid of. So I'm like, yeah, that works for me. And so there we are. So now I got a nice push mower, and I can clean everything up. And again, like I said, with that being done there in that spot cleaned up, and this being cleaned up now, it really does open it up a lot more. So happy about that. Trees are looking good. That tree, like I said, these 3 here all planted at the same time, folks. All planted at the same time, and that one has done the best, which is okay. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.